Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to update your Ford Focus sync system. First, you'll need to identify your current sync version. You can usually find this in your car's settings menu. Next, head to the official Ford website and enter your vehicle's VIN to download the correct update file. Make sure you have a USB drive with at least 8 GB of storage, formatted to either XFAT or FAT32, depending on your sync version. This preparation is key for a smooth update. Once you've downloaded the sync update file to your computer, the next step is to transfer it to your USB drive. The downloaded file will likely be compressed, so you'll need to extract its contents. It's crucial to extract these files directly to the root directory of your USB drive, meaning no extra folders. Just copy the extracted files straight onto the USB. This ensures your Ford Focus can easily recognize the update when you plug it in. Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more useful tips. On another note, are you looking to make meal prep easier? Check out these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your food fresh and organized, whether you're on the go or at home. You can find the link for these containers and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Now for the installation. Start your Ford Focus engine and keep it running throughout the process. Insert the USB drive into one of your vehicle's USB ports. The sync system should automatically detect the update and prompt you to begin installation. This process can take anywhere from 20 to 45 minutes. It's very important not to remove the USB drive or turn off your vehicle during this time to prevent any issues.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.